A motion-activated light bulb that works without electricity and installs in seconds with no tools required? Let's take a closer look. The LitezAll PortaBulb is a battery-operated light in the form factor of a conventional light bulb, but that's where the similarity ends. Inside the package is the PortaBulb and a base. The bulb and base measure 4 3/8 inches high by 2.5 inches wide. At only 3.2 ounces, it's very light. Sorry, couldn't resist. The bulb operates in manual or motion activation modes. In the manual mode, the light turns on and off by sliding the mode switch to the left for on and center for off. Slide the mode switch to the right for auto or motion activation. The bulb stays on briefly and then shuts off to indicate that it is armed. The bulb is designed to operate in dark environments only. Once motion is detected in front of the sensor, the light comes on and stays on as long as it detects motion. The light automatically turns off after a minute of no motion detection. The socket is more of a holder for the bulb as there are no actual threads on the bulb. In fact, the bulb is specifically designed to not fit into conventional light bulb sockets. It does have a small metal disc inside, and more about that in a bit. The base of the bulb is magnetic and also features a convenient flip-up hanging loop. The bulb adheres magnetically to any smooth, rust-free, non-aluminum surface. And that's where the small metal disc inside the socket comes into play. The bulb sticks to the metal disc inside. The socket may be installed in any orientation to any clean surface with its peel and stick adhesive on the bottom. Once the socket is installed, the bulb stays in magnetically, but since it's always cool to the touch, you can safely use it as a grab-and-go light bulb when needed. Battery replacement is quick and easy. Simply unscrew the battery compartment cap and remove the battery cartridge. Remove the expired batteries and replace them with 3 alkaline batteries for best performance. The negative side of the battery goes toward the spring in each chamber. Insert the battery cartridge with the protrusion end first and screw the battery compartment cap back on. With no electrical wiring needed and no tools required for installation, the LitezAll Motion Activated PortaBulb has endless uses in sheds or storage areas, storm shelters, under the steps, bedside as a nightlight, and anywhere bright temporary light is needed.